Hello everyone, I am Shampasari and welcome to ASIN Academy. So as you can see from the title of this video, in this video we'll solve another question on the topic of progression, and this question has appeared in the CAT 2020 exam slot 2. Now the question is as follows: let the mth and nth terms of a geometric progression be 3 by 4 and 12 respectively, where m is less than n. If the common ratio of the progression is an integer r, then the smallest possible value of r plus n minus m is. Now we are provided 4 options for this question. Option A -4, option B 6, option C 2 and option D -2. So this was our question that has appeared in the CAT 2020 exam, and I would like you to try this question first by yourself and then come to this video for the solution. I hope that you've tried the question and you've got the solution, and if you didn't, then let's check the solution. So according to a given question, we are provided that the mth term of a geometric progression is equal to 3 by 4 and the nth term of a geometric progression is equal to 12. So provided a geometric progression with the mth and nth terms as 3 by 4 and 12. Now in the question we are given that the common ratio of the progression is an integer r. So if we take the first term as a, then we can say that a r raised power m minus 1 is equal to 3 by 4 and a r raised power n minus 1 is equal to 12, where a is the first term and r is the common ratio. Now according to a given question, we have to find the minimum value of r plus n minus m. Now if we divide the nth term with the mth term, we'll get a raised power r minus 1 whole divided by a raised power m minus 1, which is equal to 12 divided by 3 by 4, which is equal to 12 into 4 by 3. Now 12 and 3 will get cancelled and the final value is equal to 16. Now over here a and a will get cancelled and r raised power n minus 1 whole divided by r raised power m minus 1 is equal to r raised power n minus m. So we have got the value of r raised power n minus m as 16, and now let's proceed with the solution. So according to our last step, we have got that r raised power n minus m is equal to 16, and according to our given question, it was given that r is an integer. So the value of r raised power n minus m can be broken as plus minus 2 whole raised power 4, or it can be broken as plus minus 4 whole raised power 2. Now we have to find the minimum value of r plus n minus m, so we have to take the minimum value of r and n. So we can take the value of r as minus 4 because it is the minimum value among all these 4 values. So if r is equal to minus 4, we can take the value of n minus m as 2. Now if n minus m is equal to 2, we can say that m is equal to n plus 2. So if we take the value of m as 1, then we'll get the value of n as 3, and this is the minimum possible value of r plus n minus m, because it will give us a result as minus 4 plus 3 minus 1, which is equal to minus 2. So we have got the minimum value of r plus n minus m as minus 2, and it is the minimum value among all the 4 values. So the final answer of r plus n minus m as the minimum possible value is equal to minus 2, which is option number D. That was all for this video, and I hope that you understood all the topics covered in this video. And if you have any doubt, then you can post your doubts down in the comment section, or you can send your doubts to us to our channel's official Instagram or Facebook page, and we will surely solve your doubt as soon as possible. Or you can go to the official website of ASIN Academy and you can send your doubts to us from there, and all the links are provided down in the description. And if you did like the video, then please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel ASIN Academy.